Want to protect your content on Skool? In this quick explainer, we'll walk you through the steps you can take to secure your materials, avoid unwanted access, and ensure your content stays protected. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll not only know how to protect your content, but also find out about a better alternative with an exclusive extended free trial. First things first, let's talk about the basic protection Skool offers. When you upload content to Skool, whether it's videos, documents, or lessons, it's important to know that Skool does provide some built in options to control access. You can set content to be accessible only to members of your community or those who have paid for specific courses. But it's not entirely foolproof. If you're not careful about your settings, anyone can share the content with others. Next thing to consider is restricting access via groups. Skool allows you to create groups for your content and limit visibility to specific members. For example, if you have a premium course, you can ensure only paying members can view certain content. But again, there's a catch. Users could share their access with others who aren't part of the intended group. While it's good for basic control, it's not the ultimate security measure. The third thing you need to know is about Skool's content protection settings for videos. While Skool has decent protection for videos uploaded directly to the platform, it doesn't prevent users from downloading videos once they have access. If you're uploading videos you want to protect from being saved or redistributed, you might want to rethink how you use Skool's video features or consider a third-party service for extra layers of protection. Now, the fourth thing to note is Skool's lack of watermarks for videos and downloadable content. This means, while you can control who sees your content, there's no easy way to trace who is leaking it once it's out there. In some cases, you might be able to add a watermark manually, but Skool doesn't provide this feature natively. So, what's the solution? While Skool provides basic access controls, it's clear that if you're serious about content protection, you might want to explore other options. There are better platforms for content creators who want to ensure their materials are fully secured from unauthorized sharing and downloading. One platform that stands out is Alternative Platform, which offers advanced security features like encryption, video watermarking, and more control over how and when your content is shared. But here's the best part. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial with Alternative Platform. And we've also added a few other great alternatives with similar free trial offers that give you more control over your content protection goals. Check the description below to grab the best deal available only for our viewers and explore which platform is right for you.